Picture a land where golden sands meet timeless monuments, where the Nile's gentle flow whispers tales of bygone eras. Welcome to Egypt, a place of captivating beauty, steeped in rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. Imagine the grandeur of the pyramids, the allure of the Sphinx, the mystery of the tombs. Each corner of Egypt tells a story, each artifact a testament to its glorious past. Immerse yourself in this journey through time as we unveil a week-long adventure that will leave you spellbound. As your flight touches down in Cairo, the adventure begins. The thrill of the day takes you to the majestic Great Pyramids of Giza, standing as a testament to the ancient world's ingenuity. Nearby, the enigmatic Sphinx adds to the aura of mystery. Later, immerse yourself in the lively pulse of Cairo's bustling streets, where modern life intertwines with age-old traditions. As the sun sets, the pyramids cast long shadows, marking the end of an unforgettable first day. Day 2 beckons you to dive deeper into Egypt's fascinating history. Your first stop is the Egyptian Museum, a treasure trove of ancient artifacts. Imagine being surrounded by over 100,000 relics that whisper tales from the past. From the golden mask of Tutankhamun to the mummies of pharaohs, the museum is a testament to Egypt's rich and diverse history. Next, you journey to the heart of Old Cairo, a place where time seems to stand still. As you wander through narrow cobblestone streets, you find yourself amidst centuries-old churches and synagogues. Each structure bears witness to the passage of time and the intertwining of various cultures and religions. The Hanging Church, Ben Ezra Synagogue, and the Coptic Museum are just a few of the landmarks that capture your imagination. As the day closes, the echoes of ancient civilization still linger in your mind. The allure of Egypt's past has been etched into your memory, forever connecting you with its mesmerizing history. On day 3, a short flight transports you to Luxor, the world's largest open-air museum. Amidst the golden sands of Egypt, Luxor emerges like a shimmering mirage, a testament to the grandeur of an ancient civilization. Over the next 2 days, you traverse through the corridors of time, exploring Luxor's ancient temples where hieroglyphs whisper tales of yore. Your journey takes you to the Valley of the Kings, a necropolis of pharaohs that echoes with the silence of centuries. Here, the past comes alive in the tombs of the ancient rulers, each more captivating than the last. From the hallowed grounds of the valley, you journey to the Temple of Karnak, a vast complex of ruins that once stood as the heart of ancient Thebes. And as dusk falls, you experience the tranquility of a traditional felucca ride on the Nile, the lifeblood of Egypt. As you leave Luxor, the grandeur of its ancient wonders firmly imprints on your memory. Next, you journey to Aswan, a city that balances modernity with ancient marvels. Aswan, perched on the east bank of the Nile, serves as a gateway to Africa's history, with its heart beating in rhythm with the mighty river's flow. Here, you'll encounter the Aswan High Dam, an engineering marvel that harnessed the power of the Nile to create prosperity. Its grandeur stands as a testament to human ingenuity, dwarfing the surrounding landscape. Just a stone's throw away, the unfinished obelisk lies in a stone quarry, a silent witness to the ancient Egyptians' architectural prowess. This colossal monolith, though never completed, still inspires awe with its sheer size and the mystery of its abandoned construction. The journey continues with a day trip to the temples of Abu Simbel, a grand spectacle carved into the mountainside. These temples, dedicated to Ramses II and his queen Nefertari, are a powerful reminder of the pharaohs' devotion and their desire for immortality. Aswan's blend of history and natural beauty provides an unforgettable addition to your Egyptian sojourn. The final day of your journey has arrived, but the memories will last a lifetime. As we trace back our steps to Cairo, the week's adventures echo in our minds. The Great Pyramids of Giza, the Egyptian Museum's treasures, Luxor's ancient wonders, and the awe-inspiring temples of Abu Simbel. Each moment a cherished memory, each experience a story to tell. As you bid farewell to Egypt, you carry with you a piece of its timeless spirit, etched in the chambers of your heart.